Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Maths Olympiad by Subbarao. Today our topic is Maths Olympiad problem. That is, a taxi charges Rs.20 for first kilometer and Rs.10 for every subsequent kilometers. This taxi total distance travelled x kilometers and an amount paid to taxi Rs.y. So form a correct linear algebraic equation with given information. This is our problem. A taxi charges Rs.20 for first kilometer and 10 rupees for every subsequent kilometers. This is the first condition. Next, this taxi total distance travelled x kilometers. The taxi total distance travelled x kilometers. So that means from here to here. So this is x kilometers. This is x kilometers. A taxi charges Rs.20 for first kilometer. From here to here it is 1 kilometer. From here to here it is x minus 1 kilometers. From here to here it is 1 kilometer. From here to here x minus 1 kilometers. Because total distance is x kilometers, I will write here 1 km. You clearly observe here, this taxi total distance travelled x kilometers from here to here. So that is, I can say, A to B. A taxi charges 20 rupees for first kilometer. So that means I can say this is C. A to C, it is 1 kilometer. Remaining C to B is x minus 1 kilometers. A taxi charges 20 rupees for first kilometer and 10 rupees for every subsequent kilometers. So here its rate is 20 rupees. Here its rate is 10 rupees. This is 20 rupees. This is 10 rupees. Given data. What is given data? Taxi charges 20 rupees for first kilometer. Taxi charges rupees 20 for first kilometer. Taxi charges subsequent kilometers rupees 10. Here it is 20, here it is 10. Next, total distance travelled. Total distance travelled is equal to x kilometers and amount paid to taxi rupees y. Amount paid to taxi, amount paid to taxi rupees y. So form a correct linear algebraic equation with given information. With this given information, we must form the linear algebraic equation. How to form? Total amount paid to taxi y. Total amount paid to taxi is equal to y. So total amount paid to taxi is equal to charges of first kilometer plus charges of remaining kilometer. Charges of first kilometer plus charges of remaining distance. Charges of remaining distance. So I will write here. Total amount paid to taxi. Total charge is equal to rupees how much? Y. That is equal to charges for first 1 kilometer. That is equal to 1 into 20. That is equal to rupees 20. Next, charges for subsequent kilometers. Charges for every subsequent kilometers. Subsequent kilometers. That is equal to x minus 1 kilometer into what is the rate? 10. That is equal to 10 into x minus 1 rupees. rupees 10 into x minus 1. Next, total charges for taxi is equal to charges for first kilometer plus charges for subsequent kilometer. Charges for subsequent kilometers. That is equal to charges for first kilometer. How much? Rupees 20 plus charges for subsequent kilometer. How much? 10 into x minus 1. That is equal to 20 plus 10x minus 10. 20 plus 10x minus 10. That is equal to, this is 10x. 20 minus 10 plus 10. Here 10 common. 10 into x plus 1 rupees. What is this? Total charges paid to taxi. Total charges paid to taxi. What is the total charges paid to taxi? Amount paid to taxi is equal to y. Amount paid to taxi is equal to y. So therefore, total amount paid to taxi, that is equal to y. 10 into x plus 1 rupees. So therefore, total amount paid to taxi is equal to, that is y is equal to 10 into x plus 1 rupees. So this is the linear algebraic equation. This is the linear algebraic equation. For linear algebraic equation, I will write like this. I will take y into that side. So that is 10 into x plus 1 minus y is equal to 0. 10 into x plus 1 minus y is equal to 0. That is 10x plus 10 plus y is equal to 0. That is 10x plus y plus 10 is equal to 0. Sorry, here it is minus. Minus y is equal to 0. Here also it is minus. 10x plus 10 minus y is equal to 0. 10x minus y plus 10 is equal to 0. Again, I will write it like this. 10x minus y is equal to minus 10. 10x minus y is equal to minus 10. Of course, all are in the form of algebraic form. All are in algebraic form only. Y is equal to 10x plus 1. This is also correct. 10 into x plus 1 minus y is equal to 0. This is also correct. So all are correct only. This is the linear algebraic equation for the above given data. Okay friends, I am repeating again. A taxi charges rupees 20 for first kilometer and rupees 10 for every subsequent kilometers. This taxi total distance travelled x kilometers and an amount paid to taxi rupees y. So form a correct linear algebraic equation with given information. What is the given information? Given data, taxi charges rupees 20 for first kilometer. Next, taxi charges for subsequent kilometers rupees 10. Total distance travelled the taxi x kilometers. Amount paid to taxi rupees y. This is the given information. With this given information, this line diagram I made it. This line diagram, total distance travelled, that is equal to x kilometers, A to B. Next, A to C, first 1 kilometer, this is rate is different. Remaining length is, that is x minus 1 kilometers. Here, total charges paid to taxi is equal to first kilometer 20 rupees plus subsequent kilometers into 10 rupees. So that is the form here. Charges for first 1 kilometer is equal to Rs.20. That is 1 into 20, 20 rupees. Charges for subsequent kilometers, x minus 1 into 10 rupees. That is equal to 10 into x minus 1 rupees. Total charges for taxi is equal to charges for the first kilometer plus charges for the subsequent kilometers. That is first kilometer 20, subsequent kilometer 10 into x minus 1. After simplification, 10x plus 10. So 10 common, 10 into x plus 1 rupees. 10 into x plus 1 rupees. What is this 10 into x plus 1 rupees? Total charges paid to taxi. Total charges paid to taxi. Total charges paid to taxi is equal to 10 into x plus 1 rupees. But here, an amount paid to taxi is y. An amount paid to taxi is y. Both are equated. Total amount paid to taxi y is equal to 10 into x plus 1 rupees. So this is the linear algebraic equation with the given data. Of course, we will write it in any form. We will write it in any form. Okay friends, thank you for watching this video. If you were interested, kindly like, subscribe, share your friends group, ask them to subscribe such more practice videos. Thank you very much.